Question number 5. Order the set 3 and half, 10 over 3, pi, and square root of 13 from least to greatest, then graph. So as we know, here we have two questions. First order from least to greatest. Pay attention for this one. Then graph. So we have this question 1, this question 2. Okay, for question 1, I will simplify here 3 and half, 10 over 3, pi, and square root of 13. Let's start with first one. 3 and a half. Multiply and add, so it will be 7 over 2. Let's see, 7 over 2, that's mean 7 over 2, it is 7 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 2, 6. It is 1. Then we must add it 0. Because 1 divided by 2, we can't. So we added 0, it is 10. If we added 0, put it point. Don't forget the point. 10, it is 5, 5, 10, 0, 0. So equal 3.5. For 10 over 3. Also same as 7 over 2, long division. 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3. Multiplication of 3, okay? 3. 3 times 3, 9. So 1. Because subtract. Okay? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 9, 1. So I must complete with 1 divided by 3, we can't. So we will add it 0. Added 0, as we said. When we added 0, we will put point. So 10 divided by 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 1 added 0, so it will be not finished. I say we stop if there is the if you see here 0, 0, or the answer is repeated, so I will stop. So the answer will be 3.3 and with notation bar. Okay, let's move pi. What's the meaning of pi? We say pi is 3.14. Okay, for square root of 13. As we said, we must choose two perfect square. One is smaller, one is bigger. So square root of 9 is then square root of 13 is then square root of 16. So from 9 to 13 it is 4, and from 13 to 16 it is 3. So the answer is closer to 4, but the square root of 13 will be 3.6. To be sure, make 3.6 square to be closer to 13. Okay, so we have this 4 answer. We must order. Okay, we have 3.5 for 3 and half. We have 3.3 for 10 over 3. We have 3.4 for this one. We have 3 for square root of 13. So let's write there from least to greatest, from small to big one. Okay, which one is smaller one? It is pi. So I will write pi. Then 3.4, then 10 over 3, then 3 and half, and the last one is square root of 13. Now we finish only question 1, which mean order. Still we have graph. Don't forget that's there. Here we have 2 questions. So as we know, pi 3.14. So 1, then not exactly 3.1. So maybe there, here. Okay, so I will write it pi. 10 over 3, it's 3.33333. So also it's not exactly 3.3. It's here. 10 over 3. 3.5 is exactly here, 3.5. Okay. Also, cubic root of 13, it is 3.6 and not exactly 3.6. It will be exactly 3.6 here. So cubic root of 13. Okay, 3.5. Some students can direct write like this one. It's okay. We finish order and we finish graph. Let's move to question number 7. The table shows the fall shot statistics for 3 players. We have 3 players in recent basketball game. Which player had greatest? We want the greatest one. Before we choose, we must put it all as a decimal. So 7 divided by 9, use long division. 7 divided by 9, we cancel 0 point. We added 0. 17. 70 divided by 9, it is 7. Because 7 times 9 is 36. 7, subtract, so we will add it 0. 70 also 7, and so on. Okay, so the answer is 0.7. 72 divide percentage, so it's equal 0.72 because it's over 100. 8 over 10, same, 8 over 10, it's equal 0.8. This is, we can write 72 over 100, which is this one. Okay, so which one is the greatest one? This or this or this? So number 3 is the greatest. Okay, player number 3. Player number 3. Okay, last one, question number 7. We have two square root. We have square root of 27 and we have square root of 95. For 27, we know is 25 root 27 and square root of 36. 6, this is 5. So 27 is closer to 25, so try 5.1, 5.2, so it will be 5.2. Make multiplication. For square root of 95, so 81 less than 95 less than 100. It's closer to 100, but it's not 10, so it will be 9.7. But we have divided by 2, so you must do it 9.7 divided by 2. Okay, I will put it there. (9.7) divided by 2. 9 divided by 2, it is 4, 8. So it is 1. This point, put it same place. Then this is 7. 17 divided by 2, it is 8. 8 divided by 2, it's 16. So we have 1. We can't complete because 1 cannot divide by 2, so we will add it 0. 10, it is 5, so it is 10, 0, 0. So for this one, the answer is, I will delete all this one to see easy. It is 4.85. So which is bigger, 4.85 or 5.2? So this is the right sign, which number B. Okay. make practice to understand very well. We finish lesson 2.5.